Know your ideal customer profile. The best way would be to create a document about it. The more information you have about your target audience, the better you can craft the message, the creative, the landing page copy, etc. Ideally is to have a list with as much details about your potential client as possible. Benefits that a user will get, negatives and objections, values, priorities, goals, technologies that your potential customer uses, his hobbies. What you can do next is to brainstorm different approaches for each of your target customer profiles, match the product benefits to create a good offer, create a mind map, a spreadsheet, or a Kanban dashboard. This will simplify to work with hypotheses and prioritize them. Create multiple copies of advertising messages, images, creatives, and landing pages. Set up campaigns, experiment with text copies, creatives, targeting settings, traffic channels, and more approaches with new creatives, because even high ROI campaigns don't last forever. This was Model 7, and thanks for watching.